Hey Ferrum fam! This is June, bringing you a quick tutorial on how you can stay up to date on Ferrum Incubated projects and our token unlock dates using the InvestDex platform. You can access the pro version of InvestDex by holding 10,000 or more InvestDex tokens and connecting your wallet to the platform. With the Pro version, you'll be able to access the workstation. Click on the Vesting Schedule section and access the main table. Click Vesting Schedule, and you will be able to see all of the upcoming token distribution schedules for Ferrum Incubated projects. From here, you can choose the projects that you have invested in and add it to your personal calendars with the click of a button. For this example, I'll click Network. Once you have added it, you can create reminders for yourself using your own personalized and fully customizable calendar through the InvestDex platform, which you'll be able to access by clicking the calendar button. Also, if you would like to see all of the upcoming projects in one page, you can click the scheduler option and see everything that has been added to your calendars. You can set individual notes for yourself and reminders to help you remember when to redeem your tokens or anything else. InvestDex makes it easy for you to keep track of your upcoming projects and your token unlock dates. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos on how to use InvestDex and its features by following InvestDex and Ferrum Network.